Koinei te wāhi e noho ana te crozier o Pīhopa Richard Wallace, te tohu o te mana me te haipapa nui, I naia nei, kua whānakohia.
It hasn't been too long since Paua has passed away, only 2 years, and so it definitely added to our grief as a whānau to realise and let it sink in that these very specific and very unique taonga to Paua Richard Wallace, to our Pīhopa, that someone could do that.
I whānakohia te taonga atu I te whare o Te Hui Amorangi o Te Waipounamu, a e ono ngā momo taonga kua kāhakina, pēnei I tētahi pounamu ko kōpū, tētahi pounamu no Arahura, he pauaka taonga, he chalice, he tokotoko no Hawaii, me tētahi pūtātara. Ko tā Pua Wallace swindles, he motu hake e nei taonga ki tōna whānau.
The tari that held these taonga was actually broken into on Wednesday the 11th. So the window was broken, but they didn't take anything at that time. When we came back the next day, we noticed the window had actually been fully smashed, and that's when it was early hours of the morning because the alarm came off. The police did turn up, but the items were already gone.
Ko Pīhopa Richard Wallace te upoko omua o ka te mahaki ki makawhio, ka mutu he ringa hangarau I roto I te tauarangi no ngā tau ono te kau. I tuatia ki te tūranga Pīhopa I te tau 2017. Ko ia hoki te tangata tuatahi no Ngāi Tahu hei Pīhopa o Te Waipounamu.
My Paua was a generous and kind man, but not only was he a bishop of Te Waipounamu, which was his formal role, he was part of an international group of bishops who carried heaps of responsibility, being responsible not only for Māori within his rohe, but actually responsible for every single relationship with other Anglicans. And I suppose for something like this to happen, it disturbs the tapu of his mana.
E hara ēnei I ngā taonga tuku iho anake, he tohu ēnei taonga o tōna tuakiritanga.
He was the type of man that would encourage and would actually awhi people who were in circumstances of having to steal. Our biggest hope is that they are returned so that we can move forward and continue Paua's great legacy, which is to serve community, to serve hapu and iwi.
Ki te mōhio te hāpori ngā whānau rānei I te wāhi o ēnei taonga puipui aki ko kāhakina, tēnā whakapā atu ki Te Hui Amorangi o Te Waipounamu, wai atu rānei ki ngā prihimana o Waitaha mārunga I te waia tahi kore rima. Shikayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.